Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough of a super hot event on Bitget, the Onchain Challenge Phase 8, where you can trade, earn points, and share a total reward pool of up to 50,000 BGB completely free. This is one of those retroactive airdrop challenge campaigns that you absolutely shouldn't miss, especially if you're hunting for opportunities on decentralized trading platforms. The event runs for just 6 days, from July 4th to July 9th, 2025, so time is money. The earlier you join, the better your chances of earning big. In today's video, I'll walk you through each part step by step: how to register for the event correctly, how the on-chain credit points are calculated, the specific reward milestones for both new and existing users, and most importantly, I'll share some quick tips to help boost your chances of making it to the top and earning free rewards worth dozens of dollars. If you've ever regretted missing out on retroactive airdrops from Arbitrum, Starknet, or Layer 0, then this Bitget event is your chance to make it right. Whether you're a total newbie or a returning on-chain user, there are rewards for both. So don't skip a second. Make sure to watch until the very end so you don't miss any important instructions, because even one wrong step could disqualify you from the rewards list. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next airdrop opportunity. To earn credit points in Bitget's Onchain Challenge, you only need to do one simple thing: make a buy on-chain transaction worth at least 50 USDT. Each qualifying transaction earns you 1 credit point. You can earn up to 3 credit points per day, which means 3 eligible buy orders of 50 USDT or more. Example: you buy ETH worth 55 USDT, then buy Peppy for 60 USDT, and finally SHIB for 70 USDT. You've earned 3 credit points for that day. Over the full 6-day event, you can accumulate a maximum of 18 points. Important notes: only buy transactions count. You must complete them after registering for the event. Each order must be at least 50 USDT. Anything less won't count. The daily reset happens at midnight, 12 a.m. Vietnam time, so plan your timing carefully. The more credit points you collect, the higher your chances to win a bigger share of the 35,000 BGB reward pool. Quick summary: 1 day equals maximum 3, credit 6 days equals maximum 18 credit. Every buy greater than or equal to 50 USDT equals 1 credit. All right, now I'm going to make a sample transaction so you can clearly see how to earn 1 credit point in the Bitget Onchain Challenge event. I've already registered for the event. This step is extremely important because if you don't register in advance, your transactions won't be counted for credit points. Next, I go to the on-chain zone and select the MPLX token, one of the supported tokens in this event. Here, I'll place a buy order for MPLX worth exactly 50 USDT, which is the minimum amount required to earn 1 credit point. I enter the amount equivalent to $50, double-check all the details, then hit Buy Now. The system will process this transaction through the on-chain network. It may take several seconds depending on the blockchain speed. Once the order is completed, you'll see the credit point automatically added to your event account. Remember, you can earn up to 3 points per day. That's 3 buy orders of 50 USDT or more. The total across the whole event is 18 points, so don't miss out. Climb the on-chain leaderboard. Win a share of 5,000 BGB for free. This mission is exclusively for new users, meaning those who have never traded on-chain on Bitget before the event started. How to join is super simple. After clicking Register Now, just start making on-chain trades as usual. The more, the better. Bitget will calculate your total on-chain trading volume, including both buys and sells, and rank the top 200 new users with the highest volume. If you make it into the top 200, you'll instantly receive a reward of 25 BGB per person, for a total prize pool of 5,000 BGB distributed evenly. Important notes: only new users are eligible. The higher your volume, the better your chances. All trades must be done after registration and within the event period. Pro tip: if you're completely new, this is an easy mission. Just trade consistently every day, and you'll have a great shot at earning rewards. Quick recap. New user. On-chain trades, higher volume. Easier to reach top 200. Each top user gets 25 BGB total rewards, 5,000 BGB. And finally, this is a special opportunity exclusively for existing on-chain users. That is, users who have previously made on-chain transactions. Bitget is running a leaderboard competition with a total prize pool of 10,000 BGB. The top 200 users with the highest total on-chain trading volume will equally share the rewards. On average, each person will receive around 50 BGB. You can track your trading volume and see the minimum volume required to reach the top 200, updated every 15 minutes right on the interface. For example, right now, you have a trading volume of $99, but to enter the top 200, you need more than $1,100 in on-chain trades. So if you've traded on-chain before, don't miss this chance. Just keep trading steadily, and once your volume is high enough, you could easily earn $50 worth of BGB for free. In summary, only for existing users. Top 200 with the highest on-chain trading volume. Reward, average 50 BGB per person. Leaderboard updates every 15 minutes. If you're just a few $100s away from the top, act now before it's too late. And that's the full guide on how to participate in the Onchain Challenge Phase 8 on Bitget. From earning credits, climbing the leaderboard, to hunting free BGB. We hope this video helps you understand how to maximize rewards and not miss out on this super easy airdrop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any airdrop tutorials, hot deals, or upcoming retroactive opportunities. For now, good luck, trade smart, and earn big rewards. See you in the next video. Blast off!